I'm Father Robert Ballasare, host of This Week in Enterprise Tech on the TWIT TV network, here at Enterprise Connect 2015 for No Jitter in Orlando, Florida. I have the privilege of sitting next to Jens Meggers from Cisco, who's going to explain what the networking giant is doing here at Enterprise Connect. Jens, thank you very much for talking to us. Now, I understand you have a few new releases for the show.
Yeah, I mean, thanks, Robert. Thanks for having us here. It was great. It's an unbelievable show this week here at Enterprise Connect. So we're always excited to come here, meeting with partners and customers, and obviously also seeing what else is going on in the industry. So, but what really is sticks out for us this week is the launch of Cisco Spark, our next generation team collaboration solution. And we really think we're bringing it to the next level and changing how people work in this industry and how they get work done, how teams become more productive.
Of course, Cisco is a networking giant, but what is it in the UC space specifically that you think is Cisco's secret weapon, the secret sauce, the thing that makes your solutions so unique above the rest?
I think really what we have as the biggest differentiator, we're the only company in the industry that really can bring a collaboration solution to the market that combines everything all the way from the network to the infrastructure to the hardware, and then deriving out of this really, really great customer and user experiences. So that's where we're differentiating. We see us more and more integrating our endpoints with our software solution, bringing really innovative cloud solutions and hybrid cloud solutions to the market that nobody else in the industry can do.
So instead of individual pieces of technology, you really are selling a solution, a comprehensive solution.
Yeah, we see it more like a platform. We introduced what we call this Cisco Cloud Collaboration Platform. It's a very, very powerful platform where we're basing all of our new products on and bringing also our old products back into the fold. And our ultimate goal is really simplifying and making it easier to use, driving delightful experiences with our services and our solutions.
Let me tap into your expertise here. If there was an IT manager or director, a CIO, a CTO, who was looking at deploying comprehensive UC, what would you say would be the challenges that he or she would face? What are the things that they should look out for when they're planning a new deployment? Yeah,
look at this. It's not only about UC. Nowadays it's about team collaboration, making teams productive, right? So what they're challenging is they have teams. Every CIO, every IT leader is currently facing the challenge of the agile enterprise. Teams within the enterprise that demand more than ever before. Right? Like they want to become from like a regular enterprise going to like a digital enterprise. Agile teams demanding new tools. Think about it. What really has changed over the last 10 to 15 years? You have like chat tools, you have telephony tools, you have immersive telepresence. They're still the same, right? But the enterprises have changed. So the pressure is on the CIOs to deliver tools that support the agile teams in their corporations.
So if you want to do the next level of communication with Cisco, you should really pay attention to what your teams need.
Exactly. Look, what you really want to think is, who are the teams on the ground? Who are the teams and on the frontline employees who really have to get stuff done for their customers? People who pick up the phone, in our case, coding new software, making products, working with customers, getting stuff done. How can you make these people more productive? And the discussion goes away from like UC and video and so on. It goes to like, what is my team collaboration solution? How can these people get work done really, really quickly and efficiently?
Wow, so we are talking about going beyond UC. So I guess the last question I have to ask you is, where do you want to see this new field, this beyond UC? Where would you like it to be in the next year, the next 3 years, the next 5 years?
Look, we're just getting started at Cisco. You have seen our transformation story, what we did with our product line over the last year and a year and a half and 2 years since Ron started and I started with the company. So we're bringing it to the next level, integrating software and hardware, creating delightful user experience, creating delightful customer experiences, and we haven't even started yet. Right? We had just shipped the first proof point of this with Cisco's Spark this week, and our pipeline is huge. I could just tell you what we currently have in the pipeline. I'd probably get in trouble, but it's going to be unbelievable.
That's Jens Meggers from Cisco, and they're just getting started. Jens, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thanks, Robert. Thanks for having me.
And speaking of getting started, we're just getting started. There's more from Enterprise Connect.